with one of the most impactful changes in all our lives, the lockdown. As the novel coronavirus began settling itself in India and the number of positive cases reached nearly 500, Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced a nationwide lockdown for 21 days. Hence, the first phase of lockdown started on 25th March 2020. Well, every change in life comes with its own pros and cons. Lockdown was a resting and chilling period for few, out of their busy schedule, who couldn't make out time for their family were in peace, who were well equipped, had all the resources within their houses. But for the ones whose life was only dependent on outside world, like vegetable vendors, daily wages workers, etc., became hell. Here is an example of one such segment who is undergoing a hard time during this pandemic. How their mindset is at this period of time. Let's see.
బతకాలి ఎలాగన్నా బతకాలన్నా కాదన్నా, నా కోసం కాకపోయినా నా భార్య పిల్లల కోసం బతకాలి. కానీ ఎలా అని అర్థం కావడం లేదన్నా.
స్వతంత్రం పోరాటంలో మన పెద్దవాళ్ళు ఎన్నో ఎదురు దెబ్బలు, ఎన్నెన్నో అవమానాలు పడ్డారు. ధైర్యంగా ఉంటారా? ఉండిగా ఉండాలంతే.
ధైర్యంగా ఉండడానికి మనం గొప్పవాళ్ళం కాదన్నా, పేదోళ్ళం.
ఇప్పుడున్న సిచ్యువేషన్లో అందరి పరిస్థితి ఒకటే రా, ఏం అవ్వదు
అన్నా. ఇప్పుడు నేను నవ్వుతున్నా, కానీ నాకు అర్థమవుతుంది నా నవ్వులో కూడా బాధ కనిపిస్తుందని. అందుకే అన్నా సంతోషంగా నవ్వు రావడం లేదు. ప్రతి మనిషికి అత్యాశ ఉంటుంది, కానీ ఎక్కడి ఆశ పడేదల్లా బతకాలనేగా. ఇది అత్యాశ కాదు కదన్నా. అయినా అన్నా అలా కాదు. ఆ మహమ్మారి కరోనా ఎవరికైనా రావచ్చు, కాదనట్లేదు. కానీ గొప్పోడికి వస్తే వాళ్ళ దగ్గర డబ్బు ఉంది, ఆ డబ్బుతో వాళ్ళు ఎలాగైనా బతికేస్తారన్నా. మన పరిస్థితికి వస్తే అలా కాదన్నా. కష్టపడే తత్వం, శ్రమించే ఓపిక నాలో ఉంది, కానీ పని ఇచ్చే నాదుడే లేడన్నా. ఏదో గొప్పవారో కాదో తెలీదు, డబ్బున్నవారో తెలీదు, మనుషున్న మంచి మనుషులు ఈ భూమి మీద ఇంకా ఉన్నారు కాబట్టి మనలాంటి వాళ్ళకి కూడా ఒక పూట భోజనం దొరుకుతుందన్నా. ఒక పూట
అన్నం పంచుతున్నారు.
అన్నా వెళ్దాం వెళ్దాం.
Mindset of people whose livelihood became questionable. Government of India took many reforms, which includes labor reforms, agricultural reforms, which aimed at freeing up farmers from selling their produce in designated marketplaces and helping them in getting better price realization. Many social activists took a step forward to feed such segments who were not getting even one meal in a day. Government shelters were also offered. Few celebrities came forward in helping needy people like Sonu Sood, who brought some inspiring initiatives like accommodating health workers in his Juhu hotel, feeding the hungry, transporting the migrant workers back home, empowering people through employment by floating a free app called Pravasi Rozgar, supporting farmers in distress, enabling students to reach their motherland, and lot more. And when we talk about us, we all are aware that how the pandemic has invited too many unexpected and unexperienced hurdles to us. It could be in terms of monetary issues or unavailability of resources. The fear of getting infected by this deadly virus had occupied all our minds. So many fake news is about the precautions were rolling out in social media, which left us clueless and hopeless. What to believe and what not to. The hope was reinstigated by our MD sir. Despite of being stuck in abroad, he always stood with us in motivating and guiding the employees, their families, channel partners, and for that matter, each one associated with groups were taken care of. Our CEO sir took prompt action in ensuring the safety of all the employees and channel partners. The best of facilities were enabled at lowest of the prices for our families too. Daily precautionary medications, Kadha, tracking of vitals and other safety measures were also taken care for all the employees. With the privilege of being a member of Duke's family, we record our sincere thanks to our MD sir, CEO sir and management for ensuring our safety, livelihood and our monetary stability. Thank you once again. Jai Hind.